This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Serena Fagan Johnson. Click 3D tour above / includes floor plan voted #1 retirement community in the USA by Realtor.com and Travel and Leisure. _one of a kind, stunning custom built, accent home only 7 years young and active Sun City Center. Located on a greenbelt with no backyard neighbors, neighborhood HOA or CDD. This incredible home has over $100,000 of upgrades. There is no other home in Sun City Center that have all of these amenities and character. This is a meticulously maintained, move-in ready property. Overall home features / upgrades include metal roof, quad lock block, ICF, construction, double pane energy efficient windows with hurricane shutters, high-end laminate flooring, high ceiling, crown molding, custom lighting and plantation shutters. The open floor plan of this home offers space, luxury features and privacy. A front porch area welcomes you home. As you walk into the home, you immediately feel the relaxing and tranquil energy of the home. A greenbelt view is seen throughout almost all rooms in the home. An oversized great room is bright and open to the kitchen, front sitting room and dinette areas. The large kitchen is a chef's dream. Breakfast bar, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, 42 solid wood cabinets, huge walk-in pantry and recessed lights make this space bright. The owner's suite is comfortable and spacious even with a king-sized bed, with large windows so that natural Florida sunshine floods the room. An ensuite bathroom for maximum privacy, has granite countertops, oversized shower, recessed lights and an enormous walk-in closet. As a split plan, the second and third bedrooms are on the other side of house. Both bedrooms are large, bright and relaxing. The guest bathroom has a luxury feel that matches the rest of the home. Neutral colors and a relaxing vibe are carried from room to room for maximum enjoyment. The garage has epoxy flooring, privacy screens, multiple closets, storage units and a staircase that leads to an upstairs storage area, naturally cool via the enormous amounts of insulation. An outside large screen lanai and open-air patio are perfect for grilling or watching the wildlife go by. The backyard is fenced and ready for a pet. The backyard includes a lemon and avocado tree, butterfly and vegetable garden area. An RV parking pad with electric hookup and sewage line is ready for the new owner. New sod easy to care for landscaping, with custom concrete curbing make this a stunning home enjoyable to own both inside and out. Your dream home awaits. Please ask your agent for the list of home features attached, as there are just too many to list here. Metal roof 2018, AC 2023, water softener west / filtration system 2023, fence 2018 and more. Sun City Center is a vibrant and active